Hi, welcome back to my YouTube channel. My name is Amrit and in this vlog we are getting ready to go to Hawaii. I am really excited to go. I am going with my husband. This is a trip that we booked back in June for our first anniversary, which was in July. So we're going now and I'm really excited to kind of just get out of here. It's raining here. The weather is super gloomy and dull. So in this vlog, we're basically just gonna be prepping and packing. I'm really looking forward to it because I feel like it's going to be one of the most amazing experiences. So let's get right into the video, pack and prep, and then I'm gonna take you along to Hawaii with me and do a daily vlog there. So make sure you subscribe to the channel and also hit that bell icon so you get a notification every single time I post, because I will be posting the entire trip. So yeah, let's get into it. Decide the color I want for the life of me.
Let's see, Rebecca.
I'm so tired. Why is this so tiring?
Ooh.
They turned out so pretty. I literally love them so much. She killed it. Look.
I like to do that on my nails.
You want to do this on your nails?
I want to do it.
Do you like them?
Yes, I want to do it then.
You want to do this to your nails?
Yes.
Okay. We'll go get my eyebrows done, my full face done, full body done, and I just always feel so clean and so fresh after getting my full body done. So I am excited about this one. And then tomorrow is our eyelash appointment, and then we're also going to pack things today. Let's go get waxed. Okay, this is all done. I feel so clean and so ready to go on a vacation now. It's time to dermaplane my face now, just for that nice smooth looking skin. I like doing this on dry skin. Let's do the other side now. It is time to finally pack, so I am going to organize all the clothes and then we're gonna use this carry-on that I'm gonna put everything in. And hopefully I'll be able to fit everything in here. These are basically all the clothes I'm thinking of taking, and then I'm gonna organize them all fully here, and then we'll get to like packing into cubes and all of that. Okay, these are all the dresses and skirts, all the shirts. These are all like hiking things, like shorts and leggings. Those are cover-ups and stuff, socks, all of that. These are the only actual pants I'm taking. And then these two hats for the sun. And then in my husband's bag, I've already packed like rain hats because apparently it rains randomly. I think I'm ready for the weather. Hopefully it's super warm and there's like some rain here and there. Oh, there's an outfit. Oh, my skirt. This is my white skirt. I'm supposed to take this, and then this is like a really cute fit. Okay, so all of this is gonna go here. I can't decide if this is the bag I should take as my personal item or I should take this. I feel like this is cuter But this is always like so like easy to hold and carry, and then this I feel like it's heavy, but I could just take this and put it on top of that and like it would be okay. So honestly, that's my confusion for today, but we're gonna sort that out at the end because I'm not packing the personal item yet. I have all the pants, shorts, shirts packed in this cube. All of the dresses are packed in this cube. All the swimming stuff, cover-ups, undergarments, and everything is packed in here. I have like some flowers in here for my hair. And then I put all my jewelry in this little box. So that's everything, all my earrings, watch, necklaces, and bracelets, and everything is in here. Okay, I have this bag and then I have a bag that's bigger than this, so I'm confused between the two. We'll decide that in a second. And then all my contacts still need to be packed. This is where all my makeup's gonna go. I'm not taking too much, I'm gonna take just enough, so everything has to go in here. My perfume. Okay, that's how far we've gotten so far. Let's pack the makeup first. Oh, this is the other bag. I feel like this would carry more stuff, like it would carry all the snorkeling stuff that I have on the floor. I don't even think I'm gonna go snorkeling. I honestly don't have the guts to put my face in the water and look at anything that's down there. I have no idea why my husband got me that, but we might try it. That's all the makeup. These three things are not gonna fit. Okay, almost there. Yay! There's still 2 more days till we leave, but I want all the packing to be done by tomorrow. Tomorrow maybe I'll have to go pick up some things for my glycolic acid. That's like one thing I definitely need on every single trip, because I went to Victoria a couple weeks ago and I didn't have my face wash or the glycolic acid and I broke out, so I need to take those 2 things for sure. I'm gonna get my lashes done the day after tomorrow, which means I have so much time. Like, I never pack this early and I feel like, what am I gonna do tomorrow? I just hope I got everything. It just like doesn't feel like these nails fit into my life right now. Like, this is too like positive and bright for me right now for days that are super gloomy, super rainy. I cannot wait to go to the place that my nails match the vibe. I'm so excited. My personal item, this is the matching thing. It's kind of dirty. I've put makeup in here so many times and I've used it so many times while I do my makeup, so it's kind of dirty. So my makeup kit would go in here. All of my contacts would go in here. And then I have my hair stick, like the hair wax stick, a makeup remover. I have my perfume, sunscreen, body lotion, my eye cream, my moisturizer, some of these cotton pads. I cannot wait to get out of this weather. It does sound nice though. It does sound nice. I do love the rain, okay? But honestly, Hawaii sounds so good right now. Let's get a couple things that I need for my makeup and skincare stuff, because I do have like those bigger, my bottles are more than 100 ml, so I'm just gonna get like these small bottles from dollar store. And then I want to get makeup wipes, just because I'm normally not like a wipes girl, but I feel like on vacation I want to just like take it all off and like not do the shenanigans of like, you know, like going through the process and like doing everything the right way. I don't care. So I'm gonna pick up makeup wipes. I feel like this is gonna change my life, so we're gonna pick up wipes. We're gonna pick up like just little containers or little bottles for skincare and makeup stuff, and I think that's all I need, right? I hope that's all I need, because that's the only thing I know and remember to pick up. I washed my hair. I woke up with a fever in the morning and like a sore throat, a weird stuffy nose, so I'm really hoping, oh, we have to pick up like the cold and flu medicines. So, oh, and I also need my migraine Advil, because I have been getting so many migraines, and it'd be so nice to see if that continues in Hawaii, because if it does, then I'm the problem, and if it doesn't, then it's my surroundings and I need to live in Hawaii. sat in the car for 15 minutes and watched things, and now I'm gonna go upstairs and I'll show you guys everything that I bought. So let's go. I got makeup wipes, a lip balm, and then I got my husband a deodorant. I'm gonna add my glycolic acid in here and also my moisturizer that I use under my makeup in here, and I think that's about it. So let's just finish all the packing stuff now that we have everything. I'm not ready for this. My knees are hurting, everything is hurting. And you know when you have a fever and like everything just hurts and your throat's nasty and like you're super stuffed? Literally the worst day, because we are leaving tomorrow and I am genuinely so freaking sad. Fill it up. That works. I'm gonna make sure it's like tightly closed, it's not dripping, and put the lid on top. I think that's enough for 6 days. I think that's more than enough. So we're gonna close it really tight. Nothing's gonna come out and the pump's not gonna work. So now we have the glycolic acid and the cream. Now the only thing that's left is my lashes. Our flight is at 6:30 tomorrow, 6:20, and my lash appointment is at 10:30 a.m. It is time for my last and final appointment. Today's the day we leave, so that is so exciting. But our basement people had the car parked behind me, so I decided to go and get them to move the car, which I find so sad because I'm so sorry if I woke you up, but he's moving the car. I'm gonna go get my lashes done. So let's go. Okay, lashes are done. I love them. They are not too dramatic, but they're like literally they're perfect. They're just enough. It is 1:26. Okay, I was in there for 3 hours, which is crazy. I have to go home, get ready in the next 30 minutes, and then we're leaving to the airport. I had so many other things to do. Like I had so many other things to do, like go to Superstore, get glasses, and go return or exchange these pants that my husband got. They were smaller. Nothing's gonna get done, so I'm gonna have to give these tasks to somebody else to do while I'm on vacation. I'm ready. Jyoti just put all the stuff in the car. Dee's getting ready. I'm gonna quickly go to the washroom. Then we're gonna go to the airport. Why are you here? Okay, other washroom. I'm going to the other washroom. My mother-in-law, his mom, my mom, gave us money and said, "Chiji kha leo." I think it's 50. How much is it? $100. So Chiji khaing at the airport with $100. Thanks for putting things inside. What are these people doing here? Shut up. Bye. Okay. Bye. Thank you. Snapchat us everything. Take me with you if you can. No lineup. We're actually really early, right? Okay, we're gonna go through security now. Security is fully done.
Now we're going to...
Where are we going now? Customs. Now we're going to customs. And now we are going to chill out. We are 3 hours early. We're probably just gonna hang out. But I think earlier is fine because now there was a lineup that started forming outside. So
It's going to have to take watch.
we are the type of people that would rather wait inside for 3 hours than stand in line for 2. So we are good. Okay, so I got something to eat. I got tomato soup because of my throat, and then they gave these like grilled cheese somethings. What are these? This is grilled cheese, right?
Yeah.
So grilled cheese and tomato soup. And hot water for my throat. Here, let me show you my outfit. This is so comfortable. I asked Jyotu to bring me this. Like, 2 minutes before she was coming over. I was like, I have nothing to wear. Bring me like that one sweatsuit that is this color, this color, this color, and she brought me this, and I have an airport fit. You guys, I'm sitting here and charging my phone, and he keeps texting me to come back. Okay, so we are just sitting in. I need to go to the washroom, and I am so excited. I'm so excited to board first. We never actually like ever board first, so this is so cool. Okay, we got our food, and I'm not hungry. I don't know why we ordered. I mean, I don't know why I ordered.
That's so good.
And this is so cute. Oh no. The salt and pepper.
Welcome to Honolulu. Your local time here is 9:38. We are nearly an hour early. As we taxi to the gate, please remain seated with your seatbelt fastened and all carry-on baggage stowed until the aircraft is parked at the gate and the seatbelt.
We are here. I see a little bit of it. It is so humid. We're trying to figure out where to get an Uber from, and it is so hot. I'm sweating.
Aloha, aloha.